Praises of Mtobiya, the daughter of Zingelwayo, the mother of King Ndaba. The elephantess, which has her front covered with the paunch of a leopard, while other married women have their front covered with imbeleko. She blocked the way with her breast at Ntuzuma. She blocked the way with her breast at Mtonjaneni, and blocked the way with her breast at the kraal of Mabetwasa. She blocked the way with her breast at the horn-pointed hill, who walked backwards down the Taka Ridge, the elephantess, through being afraid of being pricked by diminutive kraals in her side.